This Ganesha Chaturthi, AstroVed invites you to awaken the divine spark of creativity, clarity, and manifestation through the sacred sound Ga, the seed of Gakara Ganapati. Gakara Ganapati is the embodiment of the primordial sound, the very seed of sacred vibration. He is the source where sound becomes form, where divine energy takes shape as creativity, wisdom, and abundance. Revered through 1,000 sacred names, Gakara Ganapati's presence is invoked through mantra. Each name a divine key to dissolve karma, awaken brilliance, and magnetize success. As the master of vibrational grace, Gakara Ganapati helps you move beyond chaos and towards clarity. His energy transforms speech, sound, and even silence into tools of manifestation and divine alignment. AstroVed's powerful Sahasranama Archana ritual offers 1,000 sacred names of Gakara Ganapati using red hibiscus, his most beloved flower. Each offering ignites a channel of divine energy to empower your goals, speech, and spiritual clarity. With the grace of Gakara Ganapati, manifest your highest intentions. Experience magnetic success, strong execution, and unshakable clarity to walk your destined path. As part of AstroVed's Ganesha Chaturthi ceremonies, we will invoke Gakara Ganapati through powerful Sahasranama chanting and Vedic rituals, helping you harness the energy of sacred sound to transform your life.